Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Coinbase account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Coinbase app, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Coinbase apps on the screen, where you can see there is two options at the bottom of this screen. First one is sign up and another one is sign in. So to create your account you simply need to tap on the sign up and you will be redirected to the another section where you can see it is asking us for our first name, our last name and our email address. So let me show you an example. So once you complete it, simply check mark this one and finally tap on the continue, and it will ask you for a password, and make sure you read this one, which is a minimum of 8 characters. Your password has to be uppercase and lowercase letters as well, and your number and must have a special characters as well. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the create account, and yeah, you'll be able to create your account in Coinbase successfully. So basically this is how you can create your Coinbase account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.